In California law, a Penal Code 995 motion is a motion to set aside the information. So it only applies in felony cases, not misdemeanors, and it's a motion that we make after the preliminary hearing but before trial, during the pretrial phase. Now really, a 995 motion is an appeal of the judge's decision at the preliminary hearing. It's a chance for us to go in front of another judge and say, look, the judge at the preliminary hearing made a mistake and should not have held our client to answer, but should have dismissed the case. There's three common grounds for a 995 motion. The first is that the preliminary hearing judge applied the wrong legal standard. The second is that the prelim judge allowed the prosecutor to present evidence that should have been inadmissible, or denied us the chance to present evidence that we should have been allowed to. And a third grounds for granting a 995 motion is that the evidence was too weak, that it was insufficient, and that the prelim judge simply should not have held our client to answer for trial. Now there's good news and there's bad news here. The good news is that if the judge grants our 995 motion, if we're successful, that means that the counts in question or the entire case is dismissed. It's gone. The bad news is that the prosecutor is almost always able to refile the case at least once and sometimes twice. And if the case is refiled, that means it basically starts over with a new arraignment and new preliminary hearing. But the reality is that if we win a 995 motion, that's usually a signal to the prosecutor that they have some serious problems in their case. Usually they'll come to us and say, okay, well, let's cut a deal. I'll give you a misdemeanor. I'll give you a time served. I'll make you a better offer. And sometimes they'll even throw in the towel and not refile at all. If you or a loved one is facing felony charges and you're interested in filing a 995 motion, contact us here at Shouse Law Group. We've had a lot of success in using these motions to our client's advantage.